Hi, welcome back to my channel, Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share how will be the month of January for each zodiac sign. Predictions about the 2025 has already been posted. You can check the grid and from there you can find the playlist of 2025. There the predictions on the basis of your moon sign, zodiac sign as well as ascendant has already been posted. So you can go and check there to get the guidance for the year 2025. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. Let us start with the first zodiac sign, that is Aries. For Aries people, this particular month is a fresh start for you. It has been noticed that past few months was really challenging for you. You were facing ups and downs in your life, in your personal life, in your professional life, and you were stuck. The clarity of mind was missing in your life. But January month seems like a peace. It's a month of peace, harmony and a hope. This is a month of positive energies as well. It has been noticed in the month of January, you will be more positive. You know that how your energies will be more positive. You will be going to get more clarity in your mind, and gradually and slowly your relationship also going to improve in the month of January. January month is a month seems like that the planets are aligned in such a way that it is a positive month for you. So it seems like that whatever the pending task you have related to your work, related to your personal life, related to your professional life, try to complete that work successfully this particular month. Try to focus on your to-do list. Try to focus on your goals. This is a month where you have to prioritize your own self first. Prioritize your own work first and then think to help other people, because this is a month where you need to prioritize your own self, cultivate the self-love, work on your to-do list and work on January. It seems like that you are going to get a new opportunity related to your career. Try to explore that opportunity, work on that opportunity, and things will become more positive for you. So this is a month, try not to waste this month. Focus on your goals, make a to-do list, stick to the actions, come out of your comfort zone and be flexible with your plans also. It seems like a great start of the year. Stick to your dreams, how you want to see yourself in the year 2025. Make a goal list. Against that, make a action plans, target and focus on it, because this is a great month to start with for you Aries people. So stick to it. To enhance your luck in the month of January, try to chant Hanuman Chalisa, and the right way to chant the Hanuman Chalisa in the month of January for you is that stand in front of the sun during the sunrise and chant Hanuman Chalisa at least 3 times. This will help you out to make this particular month a more positive month. This will help you out to enhance your luck. January month seems like a month for you as a resolution, trust and opportunity. So it seems like that the starting of the week, you have a high influence of the Rahu planet in your life, due to which you will be going to get a lot of illusions in your mind. Like you may have a trust issue with your friend, your colleague or your partner, or maybe your relative too. You may feel like that they are not appreciating your idea, or you may feel like that they are not believing in you, or they are not believing your idea, due to which you may feel like low, or there may be the trust issue between you and that person. But gradually and slowly things will be sorted. You will be able to understand that they want best for you and they want you to see grow in your life. So things are going to become gradually and slowly going to become better for you. It seems like in the second week of January, there is a high possibility that you may plan to travel, and this particular traveling will be positive for you because you are going to see more positive energy inside you. Things will start becoming better for you, and this particular traveling will be beneficial for you. If you are single, then there is a high possibility you are going to attract some person during this time. If you are already in a committed relationship, then gradually and slowly you are going to see improvement in your relationship too. So this is a month where you are going to get a new opportunity. Maybe your hobby you will be started earning from the hobby. There will be the small opportunity you are going to get in this particular month. From your hobby you can start, from your passion, from your hobby you can start getting some good income also. If you have been avoiding a relationship issue since long, then this is a perfect month. Try to work on it, and it is advised and try to solve it with your own personal connection with that person. Try not to involve the third person in that. Open communication, honest communication will help you out to make your relationship better in this particular month. So it seems like a great month. Step by step you are going to see opportunities. You are going to see things are going to become better for you. This is a month where you need to work on your relationship, where you need to work on your trust, as well as try to open to receive the blessings from the universe, because this is a month where you are going to get the new opportunities also. So step by step you are going to see gradually this month will be more beneficial for you, and you will be at the end of the month you will be going to feel more confident also. To overcome the challenges in the month of January and to enhance your luck in the month of January, try to wear more white color clothes and daily offer water to the sun. While offering water to the sun, you have to listen to 108 name of Surya, Lord Surya. This will be going to help you out to enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges in the month. January month seems like a month of confidence, new opportunities, and solving your past issues. It seems like in the starting of the month you will be more frustrated, and there may be the anger issues because someone may be playing around your trust, or maybe they are not so honest with you. The way you have planned or the way you have explained, they are not working as per your plan, due to which you will be more anger and frustrated. But my advice here is that you need to control your anger, try to work on it, and open communication, being straightforward, as well as balancing thing along with that honest communication with that person will help you out to solve the problem. And when you are going to explain that person, rework on the plan, explain that person, you will be going to see that gradually and slowly your plan will started working. This month you will meet someone who is going to bring out the playful side of you and encourages you to do something that you were hesitating to do in the past. You are going to work towards it, and from this you are going to get a new opportunity, and this will be going to bring more balance in you. This will be going to bring more happiness also in you. Considered a big commitment in January month, either in the personal or professional life, and this is a great opportunity for you. It seems like that in the end of the January there may be some unexpected visitor who may visit your place, and that will be a more fun loving and a joyful moment for you. From there you are going to get the new opportunity, and you will be more motivated, and your past issue will also be resolved. So this month seems like a great month for you. Just few things that you need to take care of is control your anger, work on your irritation, and try to balance things in your life. To overcome the challenges in the month of January, you should listen to Ganesh Atarvashish Path daily and try to wear the shades of green color. It will help you out. January month seems like a month full of patience, financial security, and growth. It seems like in the starting of the January, you may be upset or you may be hopeless because you are expecting some positive results from somewhere where you are not getting the expected results, or you are not being followed there, or you are not getting a call back from there. That will make you frustrated and hopeless, and you may feel like that things are not working in your favor. But you need to understand, you will be going to get a high influence of Saturn in the month of January on you, due to which you are going to see the delay in your work, obstacles and the challenges in your work. But always remember that when Saturn gives you delay in your life, there is no deny. Things will become better for you. Results will come, only the results will come late, due to which you will be upset and frustrated. But you need to understand that the universe is working in your favor. Surrender yourself to the universe. You will be going to get the results. Things will be positive in your life, but there may be slightly delay in that. So take that positively, because if there is a delay but there is no deny, that means the universe is working for you, and trusting Shiva, trusting the universe will help you out to come out of the bad days, come out of the challenges, and be hopeful. It seems like that the financial concern will be there in your mind. You may be working in any project, or you have some idea where you are working on, but you are not getting returns in it. You are not being appreciated in that particular work, or you are not able to gain wealth. In that case, you need to show some patience here. Try to work on it, because it seems like that you are going to get some sudden unexpected bonus or unexpected money also in the month of January. Only you need to be more positive, as you need to understand that the human bodies are made up of stardust. Whatever you think, you end up attracting that particular thing. So this is a month where you need to be more positive related to the finances. Do your work, take actions, stick to your actions and work on it, so that everything will started working in your favor, and the planets will be aligned in such a way at the end of the January there is a high possibility that you are going to get some new incentive or the bonus or sudden unexpected money. January month you may face some challenges in your personal life or the professional life that will make you frustrated. You will not able to face that particular problem, but you need to understand skipping from that problem or not facing is not a solution. You need to face that problem with a confidence. In the starting you may feel like not so confident in facing that problem, but gradually and slowly you will be more confident and you will be able to get the solution, and at the end of the month things will started calming down, things will become better in the end of the January. So this is a month where you need to trust the universe, don't doubt universe, surrender yourself to the universe, work on the growth and the opportunity to overcome the challenges in the month of January. For you need to write down the gratitude book. Keep on writing down your gratitude book, whatever things that you are thankful for, how you want your 2025, how you want to see yourself in the 2025, and keep on chanting Shiv. You have to close your eyes, keep a timer for 24 minutes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. It will help you out to overcome the challenges and will be help you out to enhance your luck. Leo, January month is all about balance, relationship, peace and harmony. So this is a month where you need to focus more on your relationship, try to focus more on the solutions. So it seems like in the January month you will be more ambitious. Anyhow, you are Leo and you are very much goal oriented, very much ambitious, but it seems like in the month of January you will be more ambitious. Try to balance your ambitious nature, because sometimes when you are more ambitious you try to force yourself or try to push more pressure on yourself for the performance, but there you need to balance things. Try to balance your personal and the professional life in the month of January. Try not to be too hard on yourself. Try to cultivate the self-love and try to bring more balance in your life. It seems like in the month of January there may be some issue that come up in your relationship. There your partner or someone may feel like that you are not giving them the enough time, or that peace and harmony is missing in the relationship the way it was in the past. So try to resolve it, try to work on the relationship, open communication, honest communication, and spending the quality time with your loved one will help you out to bring more balance and the happiness in your personal life. A project or the agreement may not be processing as expected. That may give you stress, but you need to control your irritation, stress. Even try to work on the solution. Try to balance things, show patience, avoid taking any impulsive decision in your profession, and come to the solution that everyone agrees to is the one who is working in this particular project. So January month seems like a month where you need to balance your energies, where you need to calm down yourself. Try to be more solution oriented. This is a month where you need to come out of your comfort zone also. To overcome the challenges in the month of January, offer water to sun and listen to 108 name of sun daily without the miss. This will help you out to overcome the challenges in the month of January month. It seems like that you are going to start this month on low on energy and you will be demotivated. Rather than being demotivated, this is a month where you need to start the month with a to-do list, how you want to see yourself in the year 2025. In the starting of the month, you maybe feel like low on energy because of some things, maybe because of someone's behavior or some problems in your career, but you need to be more positive. Write down your goal list, how you want yourself to be, how you want you to see yourself in 2025. Against it, you have to write down the action plans. January is a month where you need to start writing down your actions plan, start working towards it, come out of the comfort zone, stop thinking about what all has happened in the past or the person who has done wrong to you. But this is a year where you need to start moving on. So January is a month where in the starting, the first week of the January, try to relax, try to spend time with your own self, cultivate self-love, and then start working on your own self. This is a month where you need to be more focused. This is a month where you need to come out of your comfort zone, take actions, and avoid thinking that what other people are thinking about you, or thinking about why they are doing this to you. So this is a month where you need to focus on more on your thoughts, especially on the positive. This month is all about thoughtful reflection, careful planning. Try to come out of your comfort zone and try to focus on your goals and vision. To enhance your luck in the month of January, you should pray to Lord Ganesha. If possible, then try to offer dhoop grass to Lord Ganesha daily. It will help you out to overcome the challenges in the month of January. For you, January is a month of adventures, taking the big decision. It seems like that the starting of the January, you have a high influence of the Venus planet in your life. There is a possibility that you may purchase a new car, or you are looking for a renovation of your house, or you are looking to purchase a new home. So you need to take a wise decision. Try not to compromise with yourself. Try to evaluate all the options and the things that is fulfilling your needs. Try to go ahead with it. So it seems like that you have a high influence of Venus planet in the starting of the January. That shows that you are going to make a big purchases in the starting of the January. Unexpected movement of closeness with someone being noticed. It seems like that you may fall in love with someone, or you may started trusting someone very closely. You may started sharing all your secrets with them, but you need to be conscious. Anyhow, it seems like that this particular relationship is going to grow in a meaningful relationship, but need not to rush. Go naturally, show patience, and move slow. Things will be started becoming better in your life and relationship. It seems like for the singles who are looking, there may be the possibility of a starting of a new relationship. Although the starting of the January for first 15 days seems like a very busy days for you. You will be busy in purchasing something and planning for something, but it seems like that after 15 days you will be relaxed. You may spend some quality time with your friends or the family, or you may plan for any trip also, and that will be a peaceful trip for you. This is a good time to spend time with your family and friends. This will be going to bring more peace and the harmony in your life. It seems like that the January month is a good month for you. The starting of the month seems like a little bit hectic, but this is a month of new things. This is a month of purchasing few things, but make sure that when you are purchasing things, then try not to take any impulsive decision. Try to think what is your need. Try to work on your satisfaction and go ahead. This is a month where you need to work on your relationship. This is a month where you need to make a new connections also. That this seems like a good month for you. To enhance the luck in the month of January, try to donate curd every Friday. This will help you out to enhance. Although the starting of the January for first 15 days seems like a very busy days for you. You will be busy in purchasing something and planning for something, but it seems like that after 15 days you will be relaxed. You may spend some quality time with your friends or the family, or you may plan for any trip also, and that will be a peaceful trip for you. This is a good time to spend time with your family and friends. This will be going to bring more peace and the harmony in your life. It seems like that the January month is a good month for you. The starting of the month seems like a little bit hectic, but this is a month of new things. This is a month of purchasing few things, but make sure that when you are purchasing things, then try not to take any impulsive decision. Try to think what is your need. Try to work on your satisfaction and go ahead. This is a month where you need to work on your relationship. This is a month where you need to make a new connections also. That this seems like a good month for you. To enhance the luck in the month of January, try to donate curd every Friday. This will help you out to enhance. For you, January month is all about decorating your house, purchasing new things for your house, peace and harmony. So it seems like that's the starting of the January. You are going to spend most of the time in decorating your house, reorganizing your house, maybe reorganizing your furniture, purchasing new thing, a decorative item from your house, because it seems like that you will be having a high influence of Venus planet in your life, due to which you may be thinking for the reconstruction of your house, or purchasing the new decorative item, making a space for the storage, or reallocating something in your house. This seems like a grateful time for you, but you need to take again a wise decision. Write down make the changes in the house that will be going to give you a lasting happiness. Second week of January, you may find yourself in a situation that you want to impress someone. So you will be able to impress someone. You need not to overthink. Try to be calmer. Try to be in your natural charm. and things will be working in your favor. Need to be more confident and try to be true to your own self. Later in the month, you might need to spend time with someone who is argumentative or difficult to handle. You need to work with the calm and the peace. Try not to fight with this person. Avoid any type of conflict and try to solve things calmly and peacefully. And try to discuss things with the honest communication will help you. And try to avoid being argumentative, and because you need to understand you can't change person's nature, but your reactions matter a lot, so you need to control your own reactions. Try not to be reactive. So January month seems like that you need to work on your own self more. Try to balance your relationship. Try to be more calmer, focus on your own self and cultivate the self-love. To enhance your luck in the month of January, you should donate jaggery to the needy on Tuesday. Every Tuesday you should donate jaggery. This will help you out to overcome the challenges in the month of January. It seems like that January month is a month for the joy and luck for you. So try to take this as a positive month. It seems like that now the universe is ready to give you the blessings. But a lot of time it has been noticed when the planets are aligned in your favor and the universe is ready to give you the blessings, but still you are not ready to accept the blessings, then you will not be blessed. Otherwise, it seems like this is a very positive month for you. The starting of the year seems like a very positive year for you. Universe is ready to give you the blessings, but you should always be ready to accept the blessings also. So if you try to avoid any type of negative thoughts, try to come out of the guilt. This is a month where you need to be more positive. Try to ready to receive the love and the blessings from the universe. Take your vibrations high. Stop paying attention to the negative things in your life and start paying attention to the positive things. This is a month where you have to start focusing on the gratitude, start focusing on the positive thoughts and start working in your because this seems like that the planets are aligned in your favor. Luck will be your side. Only your positive thoughts can help you to grab this opportunity. This month you might reconnect with your old friend or the past love. This particular person is going to bring more happiness in your life, more positivity in your life. So try to be in touch with this person because seems like a great soul. Capricorn, January month seems like a very positive month for you. This is a month where you need to believe yourself. It seems like your relatives, your friends or your colleague may appreciate your work. They really like the way you work. They really appreciate your talent. Anyhow, Capricorn, this is your basic nature that whenever somebody praise you, you always think like your success is because of the universe. But this is a time where you should be motivated. You should be proud of your own self that how good you are. So this is a month where you need to work on your goal list. You need to work on your vision and stick to it. It seems like a very busy month for you. Your whole calendar is blocked. Maybe one of your relative or friend may approach you with some idea that will be beneficial for you, and from there you are going to get a new opportunity. This is a month of joy. This is a month of love and overall happiness. Seems like a great month for you. To enhance your luck in the month of January, try to offer cooked food to the needy every Saturday. It will help you out to overcome the challenges and enhance your happiness. Your main goal this month. If you are frustrated or irritated from any of your siblings or your partner or any of your family members, then try to help them, try to work on it because maybe that is their nature. But try to prioritize your own self, work on your peace and harmony. If that person is creating the problem in your life, then if possible, then try to help that person. If not possible, then try to avoid that person because it seems like after long time you are getting such type of month where you will be more happier, thing will be calmer. So this is a month where you need to focus on yourself, cultivate self-love, spend time with your own self and let universe bless you with the happiness throughout the year. To overcome the challenges in the month of January and to enhance your luck in the month of January, try to chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva daily 108 times throughout this month. Aquarius, January month seems like a great month for you. This is a month that seems like that you're climbing towards a success. It has been noticed that you have been working hard since long in your personal or the professional life since past few months, but you were not able to get the results. But there is a high possibility you are going to get good news in the first week of January or the second week of January on the thing that you're working hard. Don't give up. keep on manifesting what you are looking for, because now the universe will be in your favor. You will be blessed. So stick to it, keep on manifesting, keep on writing down your gratitude book, because you are going to get some good news in the first week of January or in the second week. Entered the new year with the big dreams, and that's actually fantastic. So January is a month. Try to finish all your pending tasks. Try to finish all your tasks that are pending since long. Try to focus on your career. Make your goal list. Against that, make your action plans and stick to it. Come out of your comfort zone. Things are going to work in your month. You may have a social gathering or any type of event which you may avoid to go, but it is advisable that you should go. From there, you are going to get the opportunity. Be open to receive the blessings from the universe, because right now the universe is ready to give the blessings. It seems like that you have struggled a lot in your life since past few months, but now it is a time you should be ready to receive the blessings from the universe, because now the planets will be aligned in your favor and you will be going to get soon a good news. To overcome the challenges in the month of January, try to offer cooked food to the needy every Saturday. It will help you out to enhance your luck and overcome the challenges in the month. January is a month of inspiration, self-discovery, and to be feel proud on your own self. It seems like that the starting of the month you may meet some friend or the relative who may motivate to start some new venture, and you are very much positive about that venture. Anyhow, you are talented, you have resources, so it's a good time to start something new. It seems like that Saturn is giving you a lot of pressure in your mind to perform well in your career, to do something big in your life. So now January is a month where you can start something new. You can start a new venture, you can start a new business. Resources are already there with you, but try not to take any impulsive decision. It seems like if you're going to start something new, start a new venture or starting something new, maybe it can be a new job or new career, then this particular thing will be a great for you. This new venture or a new job will be beneficial for you. It seems like in the mid of the January you may meet someone from your past, and this particular person is going to motivate you a lot. This will be going to bring you a lot of inspiration. It is going to praise you about your talent and where you reach successfully. So try to be positive. This month is all about positive thoughts. This month is all about focusing on yourself, and this is a month where you need to focus on your career, because the planets are aligned in such a way that if you are going to focus on your career in this month, you are going to perform well. If you are single, then there is a high possibility you are going to meet someone in your career related to your profession, or someone where you are daily visiting some place. There you may meet someone, and there you may feel like very positive about that person. So to overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck in the month of January, try to light up a lamp every evening in the northeast corner of your house. This will help you out to enhance. If you find this video helpful and it is resonating with you, then try to share this video with your loved one, with your friends and relatives. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you and have a great day ahead.